My name is Cindy with Toolbox Consulting, and I help construction companies adapt AI and technology, building the tools you need for your digital toolbox. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a budget. So this is the project home screen. I'm going to go to my project tools, head over to my budget tool. You have two ways to be able to create a budget line item. The first way is creating it manually. How you are able to create it manually is click on this button right here and create a budget line item. It's going to pop up this screen here. I'm going to go ahead and add the line item. I'm going to add in the cost code, add in my project management time, cost type, labor, and these are based off of the WBS structure, which we will go on in another video. I'm going to go ahead and click on labor to describe your line item. One is concatenated. If you want it to customize, next off is unit of measure. This is a calculator. What this calculator means is that it is going to, this line item is going to be a unit of measure. I'm going to put in, let's say, 400 hours. Unit of measure in hours. Unit cost, 150, and it's going to create that amount for me. However, what if I didn't want to put in the unit quantity and just wanted to put in a number? I'm going to go ahead and add in a new line item, project engineer, labor, project engineering, and then I'm going to go ahead and create that. If I didn't want to put in the unit of measure and the quantity, you can click on this calculator right here, skip unit quantity, unit measure, unit cost, and just put in the amount. Those are two ways to be able to create a budget line item. One, unit of measure. Second is manually overriding it. I'm going to go ahead and click on create. And two items have been created. What if your budget line items are hundreds of line items? What you could also do is import the budget. Download the Excel template. This is what the template is. You do have the importer data fields here, as well as the budget line items. I'm going to walk you through it. You're going to add in your cost codes, your cost type, as well as your description. Manual calculation. This is important. This means that is this line item a manual calculation? Are you going to just put in the budget amount only? If it is, you were going to put true. If this is going to be a unit quantity, unit measure item, which is going to be more self-performing or labor costs, or this is the budget that I'm going to be uploading. I have my cost codes, cost types, my descriptions, my manual calculations, true and false. The start and end date, that's going to be based off of your advanced forecasting. So if you don't want to add in a start and end and a curve, then you could leave that blank. But this is here just to kind of show you. I'm going to go ahead and upload the file. And here it is. It's uploaded all of my line items here. If you wanted to edit your budget after you've uploaded it, you can inline edit your manual calculation costs. But there are some items that I can't inline edit. And the reason being is because it's a unit of measure. So if I click on these three dots here, I can update that information. It'll update it here. If I wanted to move this down to a manual calculation, I can move it here, and then I can inline edit that. And then now I can inline edit these items too. So it all kind of depends on if the line item is going to be a unit of measure or it's going to be a lump sum. Those are two ways to be able to create a budget. All right, so I'm going to tell you some weird nuances though. If you're looking for the import template sheet, you actually need to go through the import, go to this budget, and it's this download Excel template right here. What it will do is that it's going to download your current budget. Do not export the budget here and try to upload that. You just exported the budget details, not the import. Very big difference. If you want to utilize the template, you want to make sure that you're using it from the import from Excel and download this template. If this helped, please like or subscribe. My name is Cindy Lee. I help construction companies adopt AI and technology in helping build the tools you need for your digital toolbox. See you next time.